Eddie, first game in Keflavík, first away game? No. No.
My first.
Your first. Yeah. What created the loss for you guys here tonight? What happened?
Well, first of all, congratulations to Keflavík. They played well. They made some tough shots and basically we were pretty much out of our.
It's a pretty tight game. And compared to a preseason game, I don't think I've seen a lot of like harder played preseason games than this one. Did you guys go all out or like?
Well, of course we try to win. Every game we try to win, so no excuses.
Yeah. How are you adjusting to the move to Sauðárkrókur?
Sorry?
How do you like the team? How are you adjusting to the move to the
like
north?
It's like people are nice there and we have good team. We have all what it takes to win. So
Yeah.
now we just need the time to work together.
Have you had a chance to look at the games from the finals last year?
Yeah. I did see the games.
You see how Tindastóll can win this year.
Yeah, of course that's the goal and we'll be watching why it didn't win last season and what to do differently this year.
Can you let me in on the secret how you guys are going to like mount it up and go for it this season?
We should work hardest.
Work the hardest.
That's about it. Of course we have certain concept what to do and now we just need to get the practice team working with it.
Yeah.